動画を視聴される皆様へ。この動画は2019年11月に旅行した際に撮影したものになります。現在は、ステイホームしていつも以上に動画編集に勤しんでおります。外に出かけられない今だからこそ、気分だけでも旅行気分になっていただければ幸いです。早く世の中が元気になることを祈ってます。では動画始めていきます。今パンフレットもらってきました。こんな感じで日本語のやつも書いてます。英語話せるかな。昨日ね、ちょっと切符買うときに、切符というかオパールカード買うときと食事するときは英語話したんですけど、がっつりとね、こういう観光のとこでチケット買って説明受けるの久しぶりなんで、めちゃくちゃ緊張してます。順番いきますね。
Hello, I want to buy Monday.
What? Have you been here before? First time?
First time.
First time? I'll just show you how everything works, okay? So, you are here,
Yes.
and our rides run every 10 minutes.
Yes.
Skyway upstairs will take you across and back over a section of the Jamison Valley. You get great views of Three Sisters and Katoomba Falls when you're on board. You just need to line back up on this side to return on the Skyway.
Walking?
So just over here, you can exit, line back up and come back.
Come back.
Yeah. You also have the railway taking you into the rainforest where you can walk around 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or 50 minutes to the cableway. So this one around, up to the cableway and back to here. Now you can also go down with the cableway, okay? Walk around and come back up the railway if you would like, because your ticket is unlimited until 4:50.
Okay.
Thank you for great explanation. Can I pay by a credit card?
So that will be $44.
So I'm just having my lunch break in the TikTok, so that's okay. So that's fine.
Random.
Oh, you know where 6 is?
Here. Perfect. Okay, so this one's for you.
Okay.
So is this? There you go. You are all set to go. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Where are you?
腕につけてもらった。てかこっちか。とりあえず10分かかるやつから乗ろうかなと思います。ちょっと説明する？多分これ。黄色が10分、青が10分、赤も10分、だいたい全部10分。で、ここまで歩くと50分。で、あそこは赤いやつ。で、こう登ってきて、こっちが黄色。こっから入るらしい。これ使うのかな？これすごっ。では乗っていきたいと思います。鳴らしていった。 なんか下が透明になってるらしい。スカスカだ。楽しそう。出発。結構遅いな。
Alrighty, everybody. Welcome on board the Skyway. My name is Cameron. I'm at the back here. I'll be taking us across to the east station. If you have any questions as we head across, feel free to yell those out to me. I'm pointing a few things out along the way as well. Enjoy the ride. I'm going to the level. Everyone's together there.
Oh. なかなか怖そう。すごい日は。Enjoyed everything. Thank you for joining me on the Skyway. See you later, guys.
Sei salvato perché quando l'ho visto che stava alla mossa, sono venuto indietro, sono passato così, l'ho preso con lo zaino, volevo prendere con la spalla e salvato.
ジャングル。はい。リターン。また乗ってきます。間に合う？
Alrighty, guys. Welcome on board the Skyway. Welcome back on board if you've already joined us. For those that haven't met me already, my name is Cameron. I'm taking us back across to the main building at Senior Court. If you have any questions as we head across, feel free to yell those out to me. I'll be pointing at you along the way as well. But I enjoyed the ride. For those on or around the glass floor, that's going to be in just a moment. So have a look at that as we head over to this area. I'll slow down a bit. I just passed you to the board on our right hand side to what's back left there, we've got some trees in here as well. We've got that all up here in the main slide. Tell us your name to the left. And if you'd like to fill up a water bottle, I'll grab a cup of water. There's a free water station far right hand side. I'll grab a on our right hand side. Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for joining.
ご視聴ありがとうございました。もしよかったらチャンネル登録とコメントよろしくお願いします。コメントちょっとしづらいよっていう人はいいねボタンだけでもいいのでクリックよろしくお願いします。では次の動画でお会いしましょう。